दिशातून या लक्ष्मीच्या दिसती पाऊल खुणा, दिसती पाऊल खुणा. शुभं करोति म्हणा मुलानो, शुभं करोति म्हणा. शुभं करोति कल्याणं, शुभं करोति कल्याणं. या ज्योतीने सर्वे आपदा आरोग्यासह मिळे संपदा. शत्रुबुद्धीचा विनाश होता, सौख्य मिळे जीवना, सौख्य मिळे जीवना. शुभं करोति म्हणा मुलानो, शुभं करोति म्हणा. शुभं करोति कल्याणं, शुभं करोति कल्याणं. दिव्या दिव्या रे दीपस्तार, कानी कुंडल मोतीहार. दिव्या दिव्या रे दीपस्तार, कानी कुंडल मोतीहार. दिव्यास पाहून नमस्कार हा रिवाज आहे जुना, रिवाज आहे जुना. शुभं करोति म्हणा मुलानो, शुभं करोति म्हणा. शुभं करोति कल्याणं, शुभं करोति कल्याणं. शिवा पाहुनी लक्ष्मी.
TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com. TechTones.com.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Warm greetings to all my esteemed teachers. I, Shrija Rajan Shvedant of class 9, Roll 49 is paying my heartfelt regards and gratitudes to all my reverend teachers. Teachers are indeed the most important members of our society. They give children purpose, set them for the success of the citizens of our world, and inspire them to dive and do well and succeed in their life. Children carry what they are taught in a young age throughout the rest of their lives. They will use what they have learned to influence the society. Great teachers have the ability to change their lives for the better. Teaching is a tough job, but it is the one where you can make the most impact on other person's life. Teachers provide the power of education to today's youth, thereby giving them the possibility for a better future. Teachers simplify the complex and make the abstract concepts accessible to the students. Teachers don't accept failure, and therefore students are most likely to succeed in life. Teachers know when to push the students, when to give a gentle nudge in the right direction, and when to let the students figure it out on their own. But they won't let a student give up. Teachers play a great role in the economic development of a country. Education is the fundamental aspect in the development of a country. If the youth of the society is educated, a future is born. Teachers provide the education that improves the quality of life, therefore bringing so much to both individuals and society as a whole. Teachers increase the productivity and creativity and therefore of future workers. When students are pushed to be creative and productive, they are more likely to be entrepreneurial and make technological advances, ultimately leading to the economic development of a country. Lastly, I want to dedicate this poem to all my respected teachers and my mother. So what? They are working in a hard situation, burning their skin to glow young generation. So what? they are underpaid. Regards of the students become their treasures. So what? Many of their dreams are unfulfilled. Dreams of youngsters will revitalize their will. So what? It is the most neglected profession. It has become their life prior's mission. Thank you.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you, baby.
Hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you, baby. Me and you, girl, you and me. Drop it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. What is it the thing you ever make me feel way, girl? Free. Anytime you whine and catch it, this selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. But me not touch a dollar in my pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what's worth.
I don't need no other.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel the
Make the beat just take control.
I don't need no other.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
As long as I can feel
We understand, get out of control.
is for all of my lovely teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया हाँ तू चलिया। बागों की कलियां सब रंग रलिया पूछ रही है, प्यार की गलियां बागों की कलियां सब रंग रलिया पूछ रही है, गीत पनघट पे किस दिन गाएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया हाँ तू चलिया। खिल के पास आ दिल के, दूर से मिल के चैन आए, फूल सी खिल के पास आ दिल के, दूर से मिल के चैन आए, और कब तक मुझे तड़।
पानी में रहने वाले 3 जानवरों के नाम बताओ।
एक मेढक और एक उसके मम्मी पापा।
One day in my English class, my teacher was teaching the words in which some letters are considered silent. I was confused and not able to understand. So I asked my English teacher, why do we ignore some letters in pronunciation, example as in are, owner, etc. My English teacher said, we are not ignoring them. They are considered silent. I was even more confused.
During the lunch break, my teacher gave me her packed lunch and asked me to heat in the cafeteria. I ate all the food and returned her the empty container. My English teacher asked me, "What happened? I told you to heat my food. You are returning me an empty container." I replied, "Ma'am, I thought H was silent. Thank you."
Happy Teachers Day to all my loving teachers. First joke, दोस्त, ऑपरेशन तो आंखों का है, फिर हाथ पैर में पट्टियाँ क्यों लगाई गई हैं? नर्स, ताकि वो व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक ना चला सके। सेकंड जोक, गेस्ट, और बताओ बेटा आगे क्या प्लान है? बेटा, बस आपके जाते ही बची खुशी बिस्किट्स खा लूँगा, वैसे भी आपने नमकीन बिस्किट्स तो छोड़ी नहीं। थर्ड जोक, एक बार एक बच्चा अपनी दादी से पूछा, दादी आप टैं बोल के दिखाइए। दादी ने बोला टैं। बच्चा बोला फिर से बोलकर दिखाइए। दादी ने बोला टैं। बच्चा बोला वाह दादी आप तो बहुत अच्छा टैं बोलती हैं, ये टैं आप मेरी मम्मी को जाकर क्यों नहीं सुना देती? दादी बोली क्या मतलब, ये टैं मैं तेरी मम्मी को क्यों सुनाऊं? बच्चा, बस मम्मी हर वक्त अपनी सहेलियों से कहती रहती हैं, इसकी दादी पता नहीं कब टैं बोलेगी। थैंक यू।
Good morning, principal, teachers and my friends. मेरा नाम आराध्या झा है। आज मैं टीचर्स डे पर चुटकुला सुनाने वाली हूँ। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक टीचर ने अपने स्टूडेंट से पूछा 1 से 10 तक काउंटिंग सुनाओ। तो बच्चे ने बोला 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10। तो मैम ने पूछा 6 कहाँ गया? तो बच्चे ने बोला कि आज मैंने न्यूज़ में देखा कि कार एक्सीडेंट में 6 की मौत। शुक्रिया। 2 कॉकरोच आईसीयू में एक दूसरे के बगल में एडमिट थे। एक ने कहा हीट या चप्पल, दूसरे ने कहा ना हीट ना चप्पल। आजकल की लड़कियां देख के इतना चिल्लाती हैं कि हार्ट अटैक आ गया। स्कूल में मैडम ने कहा जो बेवकूफ़ है वो खड़ा हो जाए। पप्पू खड़ा हो गया। मैडम ने कहा तुम बेवकूफ़ हो। पप्पू ने कहा नहीं मैम आप अकेले खड़ी थी, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा। बाय। My name is Jimia Semen. I am studying class 1. My roll number is roll number 27. मैं आपको एक जोक सुनाता हूँ। एक एलिफेंट था, उसके पीछे शिकारी पड़ गए थे। एंट ने कहा कि एलिफेंट कहाँ जा रहे हो? तो ना एलिफेंट ने कहा मेरे पीछे शिकारी पड़ गई है। और एंट ने कहा कि ना मेरे पीछे छूट जाओ। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
चिंटू, भैया जी 10 समोसे देना। समोसे वाला, पैक कर दूं? नहीं, पेन ड्राइव लाया हूँ, उसमें समोसे नाम का फोल्डर बना के पैक कर देना। दूसरा, टीचर जी ने चिंटू से सवाल पूछा 15 फलों के नाम बताओ। चिंटू बोला आम, अमरूद, पपीता और 1 दर्जन केले।
All of you, my name is Shresh, class 2B, roll number 43। मैं आप लोगों को जोक सुनाने वाला हूँ। अरे भाई जरा 1 रुपये का पेट्रोल डाल दो। अरे भाई इतना पेट्रोल डलवा कर जाना कहाँ है? अरे यार कहीं नहीं जाना है, मैं तो ऐसे ही पैसे उड़ाता रहता हूँ। दूसरा जोक, सुबह सुबह लोग ऐसे उठाते हैं जैसे तीसरा युद्ध शुरू हो गया है और मैं ही एक आखिरी सैनिक बचा हुआ हूँ। थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone. My name is Vidit Kumar. I am 6 years old. I read in class 1. Today I am going to say 2 jokes. एक बार अध्यापक पूछे
हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, इसे पितृभाषा क्यों नहीं कहते? छात्र बोला, क्योंकि माताजी ने पिताजी को बोलने का मौका ही नहीं दिया। नाउ सेकंड जोक। एक बार हवन हो रहा था, पंडित जी हवन करा रहे थे। उन्होंने एक बच्चे को लड्डू दिया और कहा, लड्डू को हवन में डालकर बोलो स्वाहा। बच्चे ने लड्डू को अपने मुंह में डालकर बोला आहा। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Teachers Day to all of you. Good morning, respected father, teachers and my dear friend. Today I, Bhumi Priya of class 10th B, has golden opportunity to say few lines about Mother Teresa. We know that Mother Teresa was a great woman and famous as one woman, one mission, who had taken a big step to change the world. She was born on 26 August 1910 in Mandonia and her real name was Erin. She became nun at the age of 18. She came India as a teacher to teach in convent school in Kolkata. After seeing the sufferings of poor, she decided to help poor. Mother Teresa was a great and unique personality, helped the helpless of the world in many ways, such as she had helped a lot to the poor people of Kolkata suffering from the leprosy. She also founded the Missionaries of Charity. In 1979, Mother Teresa was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize. Mother Teresa died at the age of 97 on 5th September 1997. but she lives in our heart till now. At last, I would like to say that we should all take inspiration from her good deeds in life and try to help other people to make the world a better place. And it's not difficult, as she rightly said, that if you cannot feed hundreds of people, then just feed one. Thank you and have a nice day.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए।
Before I begin, let me wish you all happy Teachers' Day. It's very beautiful morning today to begin and to have all these celebrations today with all the preparations. And now the message is that which all of you know, because it is not like olden days. Nowadays so many messages are there in the WhatsApp and YouTube, Google, everywhere we can find, loaded with messages. So there's something new, it is not. But just to recall back whatever we have seen in the messages. Teachers, as you know, the word teachers is in Hindi, Guru. We have so many traditions we have from the time of at least ancient history, from the time of Buddha, Buddhist monastery, we find the Guru Shishya and their relationship, and that best it comes. Or even we can go back to Mahabharata times. Okay, we can go.